So dating back as long as I can remember, I've always had a problem with snoring. Snoring really put a kink in my marriage. I mean, that was mainly the reason for seeking out medical attention. I would get kicked out of the bedroom in the middle of the night constantly. Even from the other room, my wife could hear me snoring with 2 doors closed in between us. I tried anything that I could possibly think of before considering surgery. That was how bad my snoring was. Going into surgery voluntarily, it took a lot of courage to consider it, but when I weighed the misery that my wife was enduring, when I weighed all my options and decided that I needed to have surgery, it was very clear that it was the right option. Waking up from surgery, I felt no pain whatsoever. I was very comfortable. The office and the staff are excellent. I was very comfortable and very confident through the whole procedure, and recovering, although it was, it was a tough experience, and I was down for a solid 5 or 6 days before I really wanted to do anything else. It was definitely worth it. My lifestyle now is improved. I don't snore nearly as much as I used to. I'm definitely not getting kicked out as much as I used to. I'm absolutely happy I visited Dr. Gilbert and went through with the surgery.